Turn off Find My iPhone. Allow users to sell or give away the device, service or repair it, reset or erase it, and prevent iCloud lock. I am Max. Let's get started. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on the Apple ID profile name at the top. Tap on the Find My option. Now, tap on Find My iPhone option and turn off the toggle Find My iPhone. Enter your Apple ID password to make changes and for security reasons. Once you enter your password, tap Turn Off option at the top right corner. That's it. It will take a few seconds. We recommend keeping this option enabled all the time. Re-enable follow the same steps. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to make this video more helpful to others. Also, comment for more help.